Ladies and gentlemen, if you're using Windows, then you want to make sure that you don't waste too much space on a lot of weird stuff, and you can do that by going to System Storage. So if you go to storage settings like this, then you'll get a window where you can see all of your drives, and you can also see what you're using, what you're spending the stuff on, the applications and other stuff and videos and whatever. And then you can actually clean up. You can clean up your hard drive afterwards. There are some temporary files which are created all the time or by your applications, and you need to make sure that the storage chance is turned on. If it's not turned on, then turn it on right away, because it will actually clean up temporary files and delete files here that are no longer needed. And it will also make your it will also optimize. It will actually also run on optimize, so your SSDs are performing better. If you click the cleanup recommendations, then you can set up that you want to delete the recycling bin and also the downloads folder. There's usually a lot of stuff right there. And you need, there is, if you're using an SSD, then you cannot defragment it like you could with the old drives. If you're doing that, then you need to add a variable named /O if you try to just defragment it, or else you'll just wear out your SSD. The /O is for optimize. So if you ever run a defrag command out in a terminal, then remember /O. Yeah. And this is the storage management part. Let me just check right here, advanced storage settings. Where new content is saved. Right here you can choose where your applications should be stored per default. I have a lot of drives because I keep finding hard drives in between the cushions in the sofa, and also in my drawers and a lot of weird places. So that means that I have a lot of drives with like 100 megabyte, and there's also one right here with 500 gigabytes. So then I can choose where all of my documents and all of my stuff should be saved. I can just choose another drive if I want that. That could also sometimes free up the main hard drive, which is the fastest one, because that is a C drive, and that uses NVMe. You can test the speed of your hard drive by using WinSAT, and then disk, and then there's drive, and then the drive that you want to check. So let me just clear the screen, and then then we run WinSAT. WinSAT is for the Windows benchmarking application. So let us just, it's a storage assessment. So the Windows assessment tool right here, it says that this is the read and the write time. Those are right here. And then if I take another drive, which is not NVMe, like the D drive, that's just a plain old SATA SSD. And then we can see that it's very much slower than my C drive. So that means that things that I'm running all the time, so those should be on the C drive, and things that, like storage stuff, it could be images, videos, though it's okay that I place those on my other drives, like the D drive. It could also be like if it's a game, then it should be something that I don't run that often, then I can place it on the other drives. If it's a game that I run a lot, where performance is an issue, maybe it's a shoot 'em up or something like that, where you need to have you need to have a quick response all the time, then of course you will place it on your C drive instead. Okay, Mike, can we use this WinSAT for something else? We can also test CPU, and then we need to say CPU and then encryption or compression, and then we can see how well the CPU is actually encrypting, or how well it's performing. So it is the Windows assessment tool, the WinSAT. If we go to defragment and optimize drives, then Windows actually knows how to handle this. And you should note that it should be like days since you have been optimizing the last drive. As you can see right here, you can also press optimize all, then but it should actually run automatically. There's a scheduled optimization right here that I've turned that one on, and if it's not turned on, then you should definitely turn it on, so it runs on a schedule, it runs automatically. This is how to be in control of your hard drives, get a control back. And you saw here, but here's the CPU. I don't know if this is faster or slow or whatever it is. Nothing to compare it with. I just want to introduce you to the WinSAT utility, which can help you to show the performance of your devices. I think there's also one for memory. WinSAT, mem formal. There's also one for memory right there. You can try that one also. WinSAT mem. Windows System Assessment Tool, WinSAT. That's memory performance. Yes, that's just what I wanted to show you. Make sure you're in control of your storage, and make sure that you clean up both the recycling bin, but also other places like the download folder, so you don't run out of the disk space. And if you have something placed in the cloud, then maybe you don't need to have it locally also. Of course, it's all up to you. Thank you very much for all of your comments. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Most of all, thank you for being who you are. Bye-bye.